Hey guys! I wanted to start off by talking about toning products. Color toning shampoos, conditioners, and treatments add so much vibrance to blonde and brunette hair colors without having brassy vibes. This is why I have always used them. Ulta Beauty is continuing their hair hero trend, and the month of October's trend is color toning. So here are 6 color toning products. This one by Pravana is a leave-in, and I actually used it on my hair today, and I noticed it gave me extra volume and texture, which I loved. I love the Joico. I've used this for years. It fights frizz and adds shine and leaves just the perfect blonde. This Matrix product is a hair mask, and it is geared towards dark hair and highlighted hair, and will leave your hair feeling shiny and amazing. So for all you brunettes out there, they're all just so good. To start this hairstyle, I'm going to back comb my hair. This will really help with holding the bobby pins and giving me the texture that I want for the hairstyle. I like to hold up a section of hair, spray it with hairspray, tease it, and then hold my arm there to form the tease. After I finish teasing it, I'm going to lightly comb it out on top so you don't see any ratting and make sure the back is looking good. Now I'm going to take a section in the back and just lightly twist it. When I'm putting the bobby pin in, I'm just really bobby pinning that very outer piece. Don't take too much hair in your bobby pin or else it won't hold. So I just take a tiny little piece and bobby pin that in. I find that holds really secure and really great. Draping it across, sticking the bobby pin just in a tiny bit of hair and pushing it towards that center twist. I'll take my next section on the opposite side, softly twisting it away from my face and wrapping it just over the previous bobby pin that we put in, making sure the bobby pin is being pushed towards the center twist. By pushing the bobby pin in the opposite direction of the twist, it's going to really hold the hair and it's not going to go anywhere. I like just kind of tugging on it to get it to how I like, and it also adds just a little bit of texture. I'm going to take my next little section. I am going to leave my bangs out and then just twist it over, bobby pin it, and do the same on the other side. You can leave it just like this, but I'm going to go ahead and add 2 little braids in back as well. I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. You can also do a fishtail braid and just braid that all the way down to the bottom. Once I reach the bottom, instead of using an elastic, I like to tease it just like this and then do the same on the other side. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next one.